Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SiteGround's free site transfer tool. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of this SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, log in and click on the new website button and step to install the SiteGround migrator plugin to your WordPress. And third step, paste the migration token in the plugin to start the migration. Once you have the plugin installed, select the SiteGround migrator menu, your left column, and now paste the migration token you have generated in the first step and press initiated transfer. Provide your email address in the respective field to be notified when the transfer is completed. So just tap on start migration, and that's our system will create a copy of your website, move it to your server and install it for your. You can follow the progress in the plugin interface. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.